क्रिएटिव हेल्पिंग हैंड पर अपलोड हुई वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करें। Hi friends, welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox my Sugar Box Wanderlust edition of 2017. As you can see, it comes in this cardboard kind of a box, which is quite huge. I have to open it. So this is exactly Sugar Box. As you can see, Wanderlust edition. बेसिकली शुगर बॉक्स एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स है। आप इसको इनकी वेबसाइट से ऑनलाइन परचेज़ कर सकते हैं। इसकी कॉस्ट 1499 रुपीज़ है, जिसमें आपको बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करें ताकि आप मेरी कोई भी नई वीडियो मिस ना करें। इस बॉक्स के अंदर सबसे पहले ये कार्ड दिया हुआ है, वंडरलस्ट एडिशन। लुक बैक। Have you had any of these adventures? My travel bucket list. What you have to do, tick the ones you have minimum 5, click a picture and post on Instagram. Moving toward the products. First product is a cloth kind of a thing. So this is the stole, very pretty stole made up of cotton. Color combination is very nice. Quality of the fabric is so soft. I really like it. You can wear it with so many dresses, so many outfits, with your ethnic outfits and also with western dresses. Moving toward next product. This is again a cloth kind of a thing. So ये एक shrug है. The styling tips for your shrug. There are 3 pictures for styling. This is a really long shrug. Color is very pretty. Fabric is just amazing. It's so soft. It's like a hosiery kind of a stuff, a very good quality. And you can see the belt kind of detailing on the back side of it. I really like this shrug. Next product is this pouch. Very pretty pink pouch with silver heart detailing. So this is a nail pampering kit. You can use it for manicure. Thank you Sugar Box for adding this in my Sugar Box. I really like it. Next product is again a wallet kind of a thing. बहुत ही प्यारा पिंक कलर का पाउच है ये। इसमें काफ़ी सारे पोर्शंस दिए हुए हैं। ये लास्टिक का पोर्शन है, इसमें आप अपने लिपस्टिक या कंसीलर वगैरह कैरी कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आप अपना मनी रख सकते हैं। बैक साइड पे एक जिपर पोर्शन भी है कॉइन्स रखने के लिए। So this is a very useful product. Quality is also very good. Moving towards next product. As you can see, this is the back kind of a thing. Yes, this is a back. Oh my god, this is so amazing. It's very pretty. The stuff is really very good. This is a very stylish bag. As you can see, the handles quality is really amazing. For me, this is a star product in this box. There is a teeny zipper portion inside of it and one more portion, as you can see. So I really like this product. इसके साथ एक बेल्ट भी दी हुई है इसको एज अ स्लिंग बैग यूज़ करने के लिए, विच इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड थिंग. नेक्स्ट है स्लीपिंग पाउच. दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर स्पेशली ट्रैवलिंग पर्पस and quality is again very good. It's so soft. Next product is a chocolate. It's a ring chocolate by Kilkili Strawberry, a donut kind of a chocolate, very cute. So this was my unboxing of Sugar Box. I hope you will like this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I personally liked all the product very much. Thank you for watching.